with my dad, and now with the iGulu, I'm brewing with my girlfriend. That's kind of cute to me. It's something that brought us together more. My name's Thomas. I work in manufacturing. I've been brewing with iGulu for about 6 months now, and I purchased the F1. It was actually a present from my dad. He set up a U-brew, so me and him together started brewing when I was about 20 years old, so almost exactly 20 years ago. It was really kind of a bonding experience, so in a way for us to spend time together. Well, for me, it kind of goes back to my story as kind of being like more sort of like a quality time. So, I brewed with my dad, and now with the iGulu, I'm brewing with my girlfriend. It's just kind of, get to do something that you enjoy and can drink together later and have fun, I think. Kind of gone from, I used to go and brew with my friends. I had a friend that used to work at a brewery, so we go and I come out and help him, and he'd pay me in beer to help brew beer as well. So it's just something that I really enjoy doing. For my girlfriend, she really felt inspired with our brewing. She actually made a logo and t-shirt for me that I'm wearing right now. That's kind of cute to me. It's something that brought us together more. So I got my shirt on as well. I first saw it on Kickstarter. I think it was when you guys started the S1 campaign. And it kind of just piqued my interest because it looked like something that you can kind of have in your apartment. You don't need a bunch of extra supplies, and it kind of looks good. I mean, with a lot of stuff on Kickstarter, it kind of seems like too good to be true. So that's kind of why it took me a month or so to look into what it does and the features that it has. Once I did that research, it just seemed like it was just the best option on the market right now for make beer at home and make it easy as well. I mean, I really like that you can also you can use it to lager a beer, but then you can also use it to serve as well. So you don't need multiple things or devices, and it just kind of looks really sleek. So my girlfriend approves of it, so that was a big thing. I mean, I was actually really impressed with the pale ale. That's my favorite style of beer normally. So I didn't expect it to taste so good after just following such a simple recipe and have it come out so quickly. And yeah, it was quite a pleasant surprise.
What kind of beer is her favorite?
Oh, she likes the cider the best, but usually she likes IPAs. Yeah, it just gives you like a chance to be creative, and if you like beer, then you can kind of customize and make your own beer to exactly what you want and try and experiment with different flavors and different ways of doing things that you just normally can't get anywhere else.